Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Russell's Classroom. Today we are live and today we are solve set question. I mean SAT question. Our first question, which is if A over V is equal to 2, what is the value of 4V over A? So how to solve this interesting maths question? So I solved this maths question easy method. Our question, which is A over B is equal to 2. So A over B is equal to 2. Now, at this moment, you can say the little bit B over A is equal to 1 over 2. Now, our question 4V over A is equal to what? So I multiply this value by 4, this value by 4. So it will be 4B over A is equal to 4 times 1. This is 4 over 2. Now, at this moment, if I divide this 4 by 2, so 4 divide 2, this is 2. So you can see easily it will be 2. So 4V over A, it will be 2. So our final answer is C. C is our final answer. So if A over V is equal to 2, what is the value of 4V over A? It will be 2. Now our second question. Our second question, which is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 23. And our other equation 2y minus x is equal to minus 19. So what is the solution xy of the system of equation above? So how to solve this interesting maths question? So I solved this question easy method. It is a set question, I mean SAT question. So our first equation, which is 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 23. And our other equation, which is 2y minus x is equal to minus 19. But I multiply both sides by 2. So if I multiply both sides by 2, we'll find out 2 times x, this is minus 2y x. Then I multiply this 2y by 2, so it will be plus 4y. Then if I multiply this 19 by 2, this is minus 38. Now I add both equations. So if I I subtract both equation. If I subtract both equation, you can see easily this sign is changed, this is changed, and this is also changed. Now, at this moment, this is plus and this is plus. So 3x plus 2x, this is 5x. And this is 38, this is positive 38, but this is negative 23. So you can see easily 8 minus 3, this is 5. And 3 minus 2, this is 1. So we'll find out 5x is equal to 15. So at this moment, if I divide both sides by 5, I divide both sides by 5. So 5 cancel, it will be 3. So we'll find out here x is equal to 3. But y is equal to what? So at this moment, if I put this value here, so it will be 2y. So this is 2y. And negative x, x is equal to 3, is equal to minus 19. Now, at this moment, you can see easily, if I move on this negative 3 in this side, it will be positive. So 2y is equal to minus 19 and plus 3. So at this moment, you can see easily 2y is equal to minus 16. Now, if I divide both sides by 2, we'll find out y is equal to minus 8. So our final answer, which is xy, when x is equal to 3, this time y is equal to minus 8. So 3 minus 8, option B is our right answer. Now I solve this other question. G of x is equal to ax squared plus 24. And here for the function g defined above, a is a constant and g of 4 is equal to 8. What is the value of g of minus 4? So how to simplify this maths question? It is a nice SAT question. So first of all, we know that g of x is equal to ax squared plus 24. But remember that here g of 4 is equal to positive 8. So you can say easily g of 4, it will be 4. I mean this x is equal to 4. So if I put this value here, so it will be a times 4 to the power 2 plus 24. This is g of 4 is equal to this. But this is equal to 8. So you can say that this is equal to 8. Now this is 16a. Because of that, 4 to the power 2, this is 16. So you can say that this is 16a is equal to, this is 8 minus 24. I just move on this below in this side, it will be negative, so 8 minus 24. Now at this moment you can say that here 16a is equal to minus 16. Now if I divide both sides by 16, so at this moment a is equal to minus 1. So we'll find out here a is equal to negative 1. But our target, what is the value of g of minus 4 is equal to what? So how to simplify? So at this moment we'll find out a is equal to negative 1. So remember that g of x is equal to a x to the power 2 plus 24. This is g of x. But a is equal to negative 1. So I put this value here. So it will be x squared. But a is equal to negative 1. So negative x squared plus 24. Now our question, g of negative 4 is equal to what? So at this moment you can say g of negative 4, which is minus negative 4 whole to the power 2. Because of that, x is equal to negative 4 plus 24. Now at this moment this is minus 4 whole to the power 2. 2 is a even number, so minus, this is plus. Because of that, minus 4 times minus 4, this is minus 16 plus 24. So at this moment you can say easily 24, and this is minus 16, this is plus 8. So our final answer is a. A is our right option in this SAT maths question. Now I solved others interesting maths question, which is which of the following is an equation of a circle in the xy plane with center 0, 4 and a radius with endpoint 4 over 3, 5. So how to solve this interesting maths question? How to solve this circle maths question? So first of all, this is x and this is y. This is x and this is y. So if you think here is a center, this is a circle, and here is a center. This center is HK. Suppose that this is HK, and here is a point. This point is XY. So here is a radius. This radius is R. So at this moment, if you think this is O and this is P, so you can say easily, in this case, according to this case, OP is equal to R. Yes, this is OP is equal to R. And according to a state line formula, this is state line formula, I write down this formula, okay? This is X1, this is Y1, this is a point, and here other point is X2 and Y2. And if I add both point, we'll find out here is a distance. So this distance, it will be square root x2 minus x1 bracket whole to the power 2 plus y2 minus y1 bracket whole to the power 2. So if I apply this distance formula here, so OP is equal to R. So OP, it will be O and this is P. So you can say like x minus h. According to this formula, here is x1, this is x2 or x2, x1, no problem. So it will be x minus h. You can say easily here x minus h bracket power is 2 plus y minus k. K here is a k center whole to the power 2 is equal to R. R is a radius, but I use both sides square. So this time this square root is cancelled. We'll find out here is a square. This is our circle equation, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here is a center is hk, but in this question center is 0 4, so you can say that h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 4. Yes, so if I put this center here, so x minus, here is center is 0 4, so it will be x minus h is equal to here 0 bracket power is 2 plus y minus k k is equal to here 4 bracket power is 2 is equal to r square. So at this moment you can say this is x square plus y minus 4 y minus 4 bracket power is 2, but r square, what is the value of radius in this math question? So first of all here uh, I can say easily this is our central point, it will be 0 4, center is 0 4, so I take our circle, here is center is 0 4, okay, but here again said a radius with end point 4 over 3 comma 5, so I take this end point here, it will be 4 over 3 comma 5. Now this is our radius. So according to straight line formula, someone said, hey, hi, okay, no problem, how are you everyone? I think everyone is well. Today we are solve a city question. So at this moment you can say it will be square root 4 over 3 minus 0 bracket power is 2. I apply this math formula again here, this math formula again here. This is at straight line formula, distance formula. This is 5 minus 4 bracket whole to the power 2. So this is r. Now this is r. Now at this moment you can say this is square root, this is 4 to the power to 16, this is 3 to the power to 9 plus this is 1, 5 minus 4, this is 1. Now at this moment is square root, this is 9, so it will be 16 plus 9, this is 25. So we are find out r is equal to square root 25 over 9. So I put this value here, so it will be x square plus y minus 4 and r, which is square root 25 over 9. So I take this value here, so it will be square root 25 over 9 bracket power is 2. Then square root is cancelled. We are find out our final answer, which is x square plus y minus 4 bracket power is 2 is equal to 25 over 9. So this is our final answer in this SAT question. So you can see easily option A is our right answer in this maths problem. Now we have solved other interesting maths question, which is a line in the xy plane passes through the origin and has a slope of 1 over 7. Which of the following point lies on the line? Okay, so how to solve this question? So we know that this is x and this is y. This is a 2D question, two-dimensional question. So if you think here is a straight line cross the origin, so this time you can say this equation according to straight line formula, it will be y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. But when this equation passes throughout the origin, this time c is equal to 0, this time c is equal to 0. So you can say that this equation, it will be y is equal to mx plus c is equal to 0. So easily you can say that this straight line, it will be y is equal to mx. But here is slope is equal to 1 over 7. Here is slope is m. So you can say that this equation, it will be y is equal to 1 over 7 times x. Here is m is equal to 1 over 7 here. Now this 7 times y, this is 7y, and this is 1 times x, this is x. Now at this moment you can say this equation, it will be x minus 7y is equal to 0. I just move on this 7y in this side, it will be negative. So at this moment, we are verify here. I take our option D first of all. So here is x is equal to 14 and y is equal to 2. So if I take our this option and if I put this value in this equation, you can see that this is x is equal to 14 and y is equal to 2. So 7 times 2 is equal to 0. Now this is 14 minus 14. So 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So left hand side and right hand side both side is equal when D is equal to 14 and 2. So you can see easily here option D is our right answer in this straight line question. Option D is our right answer. Now we have solved others question. Here is a 3x minus y is equal to 12. What is the value of 8 to the power x over 2 to the power y? So we will find out our right option in this maths question. It's okay. This is 8 to the power x. So 8 to the power x over 2 to the power y. So according to exponential formula, this 8, it will be 2 to the power 3. And this 3 times x, this is 3x over, this is 2 to the power y. Now, at this moment, you can see that 2 to the power, here is base is same, and this divide this. This time you can say easily, this exponent is subtract, this is 3x minus y. But remember that 3x minus y is equal to 12. So I put this value here, so 2 to the power 12. So 2 to the power 12 is our right answer in this math problem, in this SAT question. So option A is our right answer. Now, we have solved others interesting maths question, which is if x greater than 3, which of the following is equivalent? So how to solve this question to this? So you can say it is easy maths problem. 1 over here, 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 3. Now, at this moment, it will be 1 over, and here is the least common value is x plus 2. This is x plus 3. Now, this divide this is x plus 3 here, plus this divide this, so it will be this times 1, it will be x plus 2. Now, at this moment, you can see easily, this is 1 over this x plus x, this is twice x, plus this is 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3, this is 5 over this x times x, this is x to the power 2 plus 2x plus 3x, this is 5x, and this is 2 times 3, this is 6. Now, at this moment, you can see easily, this is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Because of that, here is 1 over something. This is 2x plus 5. So this is our final answer in this SAT question. So option B is our right answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this live class, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye. Take care everyone.